Yo, is this thing working? Yes, it is. What's good, everybody? It's your boy Fern, back with Bars and Boffy. Probably gonna shorten it to B&B, because you know. Thanks again for tuning in to my channel and watching this video. I know it's been about 5, creeping up on 6 years since I last posted a video back in 2017. But you know, I'm just gonna pick up right where I left off, and yeah, so we're just gonna run some videos, see where this goes. For those who have been with me since day one, just want to give you guys a special shout out. You guys are awesome. So if you couldn't already tell from the title of this video, I'm gonna be changing the headlights, or the low beam lights, and the fog lights on my 2015 Mazda 3i Touring. So this would apply to model years 2014 up to 2016, because I believe in 2017 there was a facelift. I just wanted to upgrade these lights for a very long time now, and since I decided to make YouTube videos again, might as well just go ahead and just record what I do. Super simple. I'll attempt to give proper instructions, but if I fail to do that, my bad. Stay tuned and we'll meet you guys outside. Who's we? It's just me. Alright, so I'll see you guys outside. Alright, y'all. Oh wait. Shaboom! Alright, sorry, I do not know what happened there, but let's get back into it. For today's video, we're gonna keep it simple, we're gonna keep it light, and get it? Because it's a light video. I'm actually going to change the bulbs in the headlights, so we'll do the low beam, and we'll also do the fog lights. So I know it's fairly simple to do, you've probably seen countless videos of this, but I don't know, I stuck around with these bulbs for so long that I just decided to change them. Let's get to it. And this is what I picked up right here. These are Cougar motor, kind of weird. Actually LED lights to replace the halogen ones that the car comes with. They are H11, as you can see there, so that's for the low beams. So let me grab one right here. So this replaces your halogen bulbs. It comes with a fan already inside and a resistor. I already got the hood popped open because you do have to go on the inside. Obviously you got to go inside to change the bulbs. We'll go ahead and change the driver side because that one is a little more complicated. The passenger side, it's easy to stick your hand in there. I'll show you later. But we'll go ahead and do this one first. I already got the wheel chucked to the side because we do actually need to go in. It's a lot easier to go in through this plastic right here, the fender liner. Alright, so just grab any pry tool, or even a flathead would work, and then we'll just go ahead and pry these bad boys out. Yeah, I kind of cut, I don't know if you could see that, but I kind of cut in here already. We'll get to that, the reason why that's the case, but let me just get these two that hang on here and see if we get good access. Alright, so I got 2 clips out. You might have more, mine's cut. Like I said, I'll get to that later, but you just pull this down here, and then you kind of reach on inside till you get and you feel the bulb right here, and I'll show you what it looks like at the top in a sec. It's kind of hard to get to, would show you guys because it's so dark, and this contrast from the sun showing a dark place, it's not that great, but it's pretty straightforward. So you just stick your hand in, oh man, here I got my shadow. Stick your hand in there, reach for the bulb right there, twist it out, and then you're gonna pull it right there to the fender liner again, and then you're just gonna switch the bulbs, and yeah. So now on to the fog lights here to change. Fairly easy, a lot easier than the low beams, and I do apologize for not washing my car before making this video. The only tools that you'll need for this, just a screwdriver and a pry tool, same one we used to take those fasteners off on the fender liner. You really just need to pry up top, and they should pop out fairly easy, just like that. This thing's a little faded. I should probably wrap this or paint this again because that is like gray and not black anymore. But yeah, it's just clips right up top, so I did use the pry tool just to pry up top, just so we could get a better thing here. And then there are just 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3, that you go ahead and just remove that, and then you should be able to just pull this whole housing out. so you can get to the back of the bulb. Alright, so when you take those screws out, you can just pull this right out like this. Then you'll have access to the back part right here. And yes, I put on gloves because I got clowned for handling bulbs with my fingers, and you know, grease and bulbs, they just don't go well together. So we went ahead and went with these for the fog lights. These are the Sea Light Zenauer. I don't know what Zenauer means, but this is it right here. These are marked also as H11s. Are they both H11s? So same bulbs. Interesting. But these are 3000K, so they're more on the yellow side, so we'll see how these go when we test them out tonight. So simple, we're just going to, it's plug and play. Take the bulbs here, swap them out with that one, and then we'll be good to go. And then for you guys who haven't changed bulbs before, they always have this little push down button right here that releases the bulb from this wire harness, from this, I think that's what it's called. So yeah, you just push down here and then you could take out the bulb. So to put it back, it's the same thing, just reverse movements, but you just push in to hear that satisfying click. Wasn't really a click there, but that's the bulb. It's connected now. So let's put everything back together. Alright, so that's that. Fairly simple, super easy. If you guys want to do this, I highly recommend it. Just a little upgrade. It is still pretty bright outside, but you can't really see it right now. We'll compare. I didn't change that side yet, so we'll compare this side compared to that side when the sun does go down. But for now, we'll just go ahead and just make sure everything turns on. Alright, so you guys can see that little LED, so that's nice. These guys need to be clean too. My bad, my car looks disgusting. And then we got the yellow. So yeah, we'll compare this side and this lame side. Ugh, look at that at night, so we can get a better comparison. Yo, what's good? So it is basically dark. It's dark enough now. Just to show you guys a comparison of the lights, or the light upgrade that we did. So switch on the light-o, flip-o, look at that-o. Ooh, would you look at that? But you can see the major difference. Look at that. Take a look at this and then compare that to this. Now this side just looks kind of sad. That is a lot better. I'm so happy I did this. That looks a lot cleaner, looks a lot meaner compared to this right here. A little sad. In the meantime, let me go ahead and switch this side out here because it's so ugly and outdated and just let's change that. Let's fix that. Alright, so what I probably should have mentioned was just making sure before you put the bulbs back in the actual housing is to turn on your lights to make sure it's connected correctly. My gosh, that is bright. It's burning my eyes, which is a good thing. But yeah, everything's plugged in, working fine, so we'll just snug them back in the housing over here. So I got everything back in its place, everything's good to go. Let's get the final product real quick. Alright, there you guys go. Nice and bright out here. Got the driver's side done. Got the passenger side done. And I didn't really show the passenger side just because it's pretty straightforward. You could just stick your hand in right here, and then you could go ahead and finagle the bulb in there. Fog lights looking good. So yeah, let's take it for a drive and see how it is. Alright guys, so I am going for a little night stroll, but this is a major upgrade, guys. I highly recommend. If you still have your boring old halogen bulbs, I say upgrade to LED. It's just the way it is. 2023. Time to give it the flow. We're going to turn off the lights. Oh god, I'm driving at the dock, and then boom, I can see and make a U-turn. But skirt. Yeah, it is awesome. I highly recommend if you guys don't already or haven't already made the upgrade. I say just do it. I'll go ahead and link the bulbs down below in the description. Let's just head back home wrap things up. Yay! Should I put my camera outside? Okay, let's try it out. This is not a GoPro. That was weird. And it just occurred to me that I didn't shoot an outro for this video. So if you made it this far, I just want to say thanks for hanging out with me today. And if you aren't subscribed already, please consider hitting that subscribe button and also liking this video. So, you know, just share the love. Leave a comment below too if you want. So with that being said, this is the end of the video. Peace.